Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send money to an Alipay account in 2025. Alipay is one of the most popular payment platforms in China, used for everything from everyday transactions to international transfers. Whether you're sending money to family, friends, or for business, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy and secure. First things first, make sure you have an Alipay account or access to one. If you're sending from outside China, you'll need to link it to an international payment method like a credit card, debit card, or even services like PayPal or Wise. Start by downloading the Alipay app on your smartphone and verifying your account with your phone number and email. Once you're set up, open the app and navigate to the Transfer or Send Money section. It's usually right on the home screen. Next, enter the recipient's Alipay ID, which is like their username, or their phone number if it's linked. Double-check the amount you're sending, and remember to select the correct currency to avoid extra fees. In 2025, Alipay has made international transfers even smoother with real-time exchange rates and lower fees, so keep an eye on that. Before confirming, verify any security codes or two-factor authentication to protect your transaction. Oh, and a quick tip: if you're dealing with larger amounts, consider using Alipay's partnership with banks for faster processing. Now, hit send, and you'll get a confirmation notification almost instantly. Always save your transaction receipt for records. One common issue is currency conversion delays, so plan ahead if exchange rates fluctuate. And there you have it. That's how you send money to an Alipay account in 2025. If you run into any hiccups, Alipay's customer support is top-notch. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more tech and finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.